All right, we live on my end.
Ah, damn, my stuff messed. Ugh, come on, don't mess with me like that.
All
No, I'm fucking. I'm live.
right. I was about to say, bro.
Being stupid. Though. Live as hell.
Yo, what is going on, Shill Squad? Welcome back to the Shill stream. I know your boy has been MIA when it comes to this content, but we not giving that part up and definitely been active in these crypto streets. I even been a little MIA in the chat. Chat, man. I've been turning my back on my chat, man. Damn, bro. But you know what it is, man. We back here with the crypto cousins, the collabs. We continuing. Me and the homie Kenzie. What up, Kenzie?
Well, what's up? What's going on, crypto cousins? It's your Bitcoin baby daddy here. What another episode? But you know, I'll be live streaming with my boy Low Key, so that way he can steal my subscribers. You know how it goes, man. But
I see you catching up too.
I'm barely getting that though. But I just want to say shout out to Mama Bass. I'm gonna go Mama Bass. What's good, Mama Bass? Thank you coming to the stream. Shout out to Chelsea, Michelle. Thank you for coming to the stream. What's up? But we try to do these every Sunday night. Me, Low Key, we break down what's going on in the crypto space. We talk about the hottest things, you know what I'm saying? And we might show some altcoin gems here and there. But it's the Shill stream, Crypto Cousins. We always bringing it through Sunday nights. You feel me?
Yeah, we missed it. We missed a couple Sundays. That's gonna happen here and there, but nonetheless, man, whenever you watching this, whether you're watching it live, whether you're watching it on the replay, make sure you guys smash that like button on both sides. Make sure whether you on crypto culture or you on low key money, smash that like button. Definitely jump in the chat, get active. Let us know what information you want to see us cover, and let us know what projects, because if we got enough time, we'll start looking at some alts as well. So y'all know what it is, man.
Oh yeah, big facts. Dang, I just forgot what I was about to say.
Shout out to personal coach from Canada. We got a couple people jumping in his chat. What up, Plush? What up, Dean?
I feel like the notification was just sent out because people jumping in right now. 2 for 2. Hey, what's good, Red Snapper? How you doing, bro? Yeah, that 2 for 2 finally came through.
He said, "Since we shilling," somebody said, "Since we shilling," they already put some projects in.
Oh my God, they already shilling. We
ready.
Go. They ready.
They ready.
But I might as well start off with what's the price? What's the carrying doing tonight? I mean, y'all look. Now the King right now sitting at 51,700. Man, we're sitting at 51,700 right now. Looking pretty solid. We have to break this overnight. Like we have to wake up tomorrow morning and be at like 54 or something like that. You know what I'm saying? For me to feel comfortable. Hey, what's good? Hey, Anthony. Hey, appreciate you coming through, man. Thank you for the tip. The 21 euros? I'm guessing those are euros. But what's up, brothers, my man? But yeah, like I was trying to say, I want to wake up tomorrow morning and be at 54. I'll feel a little bit better. But as of right now, I'm not feeling really good. I feel like this is like y'all. If y'all can see, I'm pretty sure y'all can see the chart. And like this is right here at 51. We're looking pretty choppy. I'd say we chop between this and down here for the next couple of while, for like maybe the next 2 to 3 weeks. I don't know, but I'm just worried. I think people are getting a little too excited. But then again, we have been bearish for like all week. We've been bearish. So the fact that we're going up and people are still bearish, that's a good sign. And I got a couple of indicators and some tweets that I went through earlier that I want to show with you guys. But what you thinking about the price action right now, Loki?
I think as long as we pass $1,000 from here, like around 52.7, that was the last high point that we reached about a week ago, and it looked like we were kind of like bouncing off that area like another week before that, around like February 25th, and after that, it's kind of easy gains right back up to all-time highs. So that's all I'm really looking for. As long as we can continue in this area, close sometime this week around 53-ish, then it's game time again. Remember, we went into the 50s for like it wasn't really that long that we was really sitting in the 50s. It was only a couple days. So
Yeah,
um,
we really weren't sitting in the 50s that long.
nah, it was after Elon Musk, you know what I mean? After he went crazy, it boosted us up into the 50s, and then it was just a couple days. And honestly, at the time, it looked like we was about to we was about to go,
To
into this little
100K,
correction.
boy.
Nah, it looked like we was gonna have a quick little correction, and then he tweeted, and we went up like 20% stupid, and then everybody started getting laser eyes. You know what I mean? After
Bro.
that,
I saw a meme. I saw a meme the other day. How didn't you sell at Laser Eyes? And I was thinking to myself, God damn. Man, I'm never going to be able to call the top because I wasn't even thinking about selling during Laser Eyes, bro. But then I realized, dang, everybody was way too confident. Way
yeah,
too,
that's a
like,
fact.
I was like, dang. Even I put the Laser Eyes on the thing and I was like, dang. Yeah, they got me, bro. They got me, bro. I was in the...
Yeah, we had like some little inverse head and shoulders situation that came through, so it looked like that's really like playing out, little inverse head and shoulders. So
Yeah, the little
we
W.
could really, yeah, we could really see like a really nice pump straight to right back to all time highs again, like pretty easily. So that's what I'm really hoping to see. Um, but I'm really good with the slow action on Bitcoin as long as we're not going down consistently. As long as we're moving sideways or upwards slowly, I'm good with that because that's when alts thrive. And y'all see what's
Oh,
going on with ETH right now. ETH
are they
is
thriving? Well, no, but
yeah, ETH.
ETH had a good pull yesterday, but then now Bitcoin just caught back up and it dragged it back down. But that's all because of the Jack Dorsey thing. I think that's the only reason, bro.
Well, it didn't drag ETH back down, maybe in dominance because ETH like 1738. That's Fetty Wap numbers right there. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's Fetty Wap numbers, my G.
I'm gonna type in 1738 in the fight you, dog. What? Oh, thank God I do this stream, bro. I don't think anybody would have come up with that and understand that, dog. Like nobody.
Yeah. We see a
And
Fetty Wap numbers, G's.
Man, that boy Haitian too. God damn it.
But yeah, it's definitely the highest it's been since I don't know, since around about almost 3 weeks ago, February 23rd.
Yeah.
So ETH is having a nice bounce back, and obviously that has to do with somebody asked if there's going to be another dip. I think right now things are looking good. There, we never know at the end of the day if there's going to be another dip, and there's certain areas that I'm constantly paying attention to. With Bitcoin, we're like right above the area that I was paying attention to, which was 50,600. We're around 1,000 more than that, and I think once we get another 1,000, we're in like go mode. But I would be looking back at 50,000 levels for sure for Bitcoin. But with the news that we got yesterday or the other day with Jack Dorsey, with the NFT, I think that that's actually a big deal. And I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. So here's what I'm thinking with this whole thing. So we all know Jack Dorsey's Bitcoin bull. That's what he's really on. He don't really rock with no other projects. He hasn't really talked down on most of them, but he's just been like, I'm just focusing on Bitcoin for now. And that's been like that for like 2 years or so. Now, what I noticed, right? He's been rocking with Jay-Z pretty hard, right? Like lately. He's been rocking with Jay-Z. So last year there was some news that came out about, some Jay-Z backed project. There was a couple people that were backing some project called Alchemy. And apparently Alchemy is something that's made for developers that backs a lot of projects on Ethereum, like Yearn Finance, like OpenSea, right?
Wait a
NFT.
second. Hey, drop that link in the chat. I want to see that website too.
Yeah.
Hey, drop that link
It's
in
an
the chat.
API. It's an API.
Really?
Yeah. So I'm dropping the website in my chat, and then I'm gonna drop it in your chat right now.
Yeah, drop that. Yeah, get that info. Dog. You should be able to drop links since you're a mod in this chat too.
Yeah. So
And if you guys haven't, make sure you go on Low Key Money stream. We're both live streaming right now at the same time. You know what I'm saying? Support Black business hustlers it don't even matter that we're black. Just support us because we be dropping gems and bombs. Got some new people in the chat. What's up, Jim? How you doing? Just found the channel. Appreciate you coming through the channel. As always, Hourglass. I know you always coming through. Uni breaking top 10. Let's go, bro. Uni's going to 100. Uni's going to 100 this bull market. It's an easy call, bro. It's an easy call. Minimum 100, bro. Minimum. Are you kidding?
Somebody said Phil CME gap and then Moon. Honestly, I wonder if the CME gap is kind of like not even a thing anymore. It seems like it's not as important.
Seems like no one's talking about it.
Yeah, because we done left some of them in the dust already. You know what I mean? We done left some of them in the dust. That one all the way down in like the 3,000 range or whatever. You gonna have some bears come out and be like, we still gotta close the CME gap. Like, you know what I mean? All the way back down there, bro.
Hold on. Shout out to Jonah coming through. Shout out to Jose Riveras. I'm gonna say Riveras. Shout out coming through. Crypto Memphis was good, guys. Just want to shout out everybody coming through the chat saying what's up. So
Nigel said we the only YouTubers that will make a Fetty Wap joke.
The only YouTubers that make a Fetty Wap joke when people understand.
Yeah, shout out to Red Snapper. Yeah, so to keep going with what I was saying, right? So, you know, Jack Dorsey and Jay-Z, they've been rocking lately. And Jay-Z apparently invested into this Alchemy API product that Yearn Finance is using, OpenSea is using, Shapeshift, The Graph, My Ether Wallet, 0x, Opera.
No, this is a gem for real.
So this is an API that people are using, right? And Jay-Z is one of the backers of this project right here. Even Kyber Network, it's that 70% of like the Ethereum blue chip projects are using this API. So now you see Jack Dorsey getting together with Jay-Z and actually buying majority ownership and title. And what Jack Dorsey was talking about with the whole title thing was talking about different ways of being able to get artists paid. Now,
hey, hold up. Before you finish, hey, one of my homeboys, Bit Native, he a dev. He's like, yeah, bro, this is a good link, bro. He'll just and nice. I respect him when it comes to the dev stuff. No, real talk. He's like, yeah, bro, this is a good link.
Okay, good.
You see, nobody, you won't see no YouTuber talking about this stuff right here whatsoever, bro.
Yeah, we getting into it. Like, what y'all thought Loki just hasn't been posted? He hasn't been caring. Like, nah, I'm out here. I'm still watching what's going on, man. Right. So y'all getting it on the live instead of a video instead. So Jack Dorsey was talking about you know, artists. He really cares about artists and how to get paid and stuff like that. And I think probably what happened, right, was I know that Jack Dorsey looks at Bitcoin as the internet money that's probably for the whole globe, right? And I think that finally he's jumping out the window a little bit with Ethereum because it's not about money. It's not some other cryptocurrency that's just money. He's getting out there for digital art. You know what I mean? So when it comes to different types of items that have to do with blockchain, that's not necessarily just a currency, right? Now he's saying, okay, I like this. I like art on the blockchain. I like music on the blockchain. I like different kinds of utilities on the blockchain, but we already have money. That's Bitcoin. This is my speculation. That's what I'm thinking. That's probably his thought process, because he likes Bitcoin as money on a blockchain. But when it comes to other items, he's starting to see the hype is growing. The value is there. And now he's throwing out his own NFT as a hint. Couple that with the fact that Jay-Z was a backer of this Alchemy API project, and the fact that they just got together with shout out to Carlos, man. Thank you very much for the $10 tip, man.
Same here, Carlos. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for $10 tip.
Much appreciated, man. Much appreciated for sure. So now the fact that, you know, they came together and Jack Dorsey has majority ownership and title, and Jay-Z sitting on the board at Square, I think that
you saw the moves they were making this week. I saw the title
making power moves.
I saw the title acquisition. I saw the Jay-Z getting on the board. Then they got the big board. And then, bro, did you remember Everyday Struggle? What's his name? he was when he was telling him about when he had like Anthony and Papagliano come through talk about Bitcoin. Before he even had the conversation, he was talking about how, yeah, man, you know, I was sitting there talking to Jay-Z about what was I gonna do with my podcast. Was I gonna go to this or was I gonna go to Cash App? And then I was telling Jay-Z how I was gonna take the Cash App deal, and Jay-Z looked at me and smiled and says, "Man, what you know about decentralized currency?" Bro, and he's telling that in the story. Right before
I don't
he
think
gets
I've seen
on.
that.
Yeah, bro, right before he got pump on, he is telling that story. So the fact that Jay-Z's now making these moves in the Cash App, it was like almost like him spilling the news without him actually spilling the news.
Right.
And
That's
I was
crazy.
like, dang, bro. Yeah, bro, it's the moves. Like, come on.
So
now.
the crazy thing is, so what most people might automatically think is that, okay, Jay-Z's on the board at Square and Square owns majority stake in Tidal. So Jay-Z's just going to be sitting there kind of helping him out with the direction for Tidal. No, he made it clear. He's going to be part of the, I forgot what their main payment system is. And for Cash App, like he's going to be on the board helping with everything. So I'm really interested to see where this whole partnership goes. And the fact that Jack Dorsey released the NFT, was it officially him? He officially was the one that put the NFT?
Yeah, he officially tweeted. Like his tweet takes you to the sale of his NFT, like right now.
Boom.
So yeah.
Boom.
So it's like it's official by him. There's what is there? But yeah, and I've got the link right here if you guys want the link to it. It's straight up all him.
Man, he needs to stop playing. Put that joint on Cash App, man. What is he waiting
knows he
for,
will.
Man?
He knows. We know he will. We know he will.
I hope Jigga told him, like, yo,
he's
we
like,
got,
stop playing these. But that's
he like,
when
yo,
I saw
man,
this.
I
It's
didn't
like
invest in Alchemy.
No, and the thing is, when the whole alchemy thing, I don't think we can invest in that. Just to be 100, that there's no token for that.
Nah, I don't. It's an API.
It's an API thing. So like, there's like, but that's infrastructure. That's crypto infrastructure. At the end of the day, we're the users using all these different products, but it's still the institutional big boys that are investing in the things that run the infrastructure for these products. Like,
yo, are you on that site right now?
Yeah, bro.
Look at the name. Look at the name on the little dashboard thing that they got in the top right corner.
No, I don't see no. Hold up, I gotta put this big screen to see what you're talking about.
On the Alchemy, where it says front end app, the very home joint where it got the little blue.
Jay, stop, bro, stop. They got old boy. They got Jay-Z's name right. Well, it's not Jay-Z's name, but it says Jay.
But it says Jay.
It says Jay. They know what they doing,
yo, H
bro.
Boogie, what up, man?
But yeah, that's the thing I'm still getting pissed off at. That they still can, like, I want to, and this sounds more interesting than a lot of stuff in crypto. Like, you run it, like, it doesn't matter what happens to these things, you're still going to be the API that they all got to use and pay for. Man, I want to invest in this. Right. I want this. But no, you can't. You can't. Not yet. They're not public or whatever. Man, get out of here, bro.
And I ain't gonna qualify for this airdrop because I don't know how to use this type of platform.
No, but that's the thing. It's not something that we're like. It's APIs, bro. It's like it's like communication on the internet without, like, it's the way that information is communicated on the internet. It's almost like instantaneously, where nobody can hack from the information going from one point to the other. Like, it's just like that.
Right. Yeah, I'm seeing some of the different projects. It says the on-chain transaction volume is $15 billion. End users, there's 4 million people using it. You know, they got stuff like DYDX, Aave, Circle, all these huge projects that's built on Ethereum, man.
All of this stuff. Man, I want to invest in this and I can't. This is what I want. I'd rather invest in this. Yo, but at least y'all know where the truth is. Yeah,
so that's what I'm looking at. And I've been looking at this this V.Cent thing, and I'm just seeing a bunch of trash, little tweets that people are buying. Like, what?
Man, I ain't buying. Look, but yeah. So this V.Cent, and of course you got the maximalist all in the comments talking trash because he's promoting something that's other than Bitcoin. But you take it, you connect your Twitter account to it. Once you connect your Twitter account to it, you gotta have MetaMask. And of course, if you don't know what MetaMask is, guys, just leave in the chat if you don't know what MetaMask is. I got a link to a video where I talk about how to set up a MetaMask and what it's used for. But you'd have to have MetaMask, and then you can make an offer. You can make a bet. Let me see if I. Well, yeah. Oh, you must raise an offer at least. Oh, no, I'm good.
Let me get one of. I need one of these beeples, man.
These beeples?
What's up with one of these beeples? Yeah.
Yo, you want to know the funny thing is? This was created like way back, like December 5th. Like this was been plotted, bro. This was been planned. Look at the first offer, which was $1 on December 15th. I don't know if you're on the VSET tweet page.
How do I go back to there?
I put a link in my chat, and then I'm gonna put a link in your chat right now.
Okay. This greatest. Yo, this Jack Dorsey joint going for $0.25.
No, just look at the old original one.
No, I was just blown away. Like I just, bro, $250,000 this thing is going for.
That's not $250,000, nigga.
No, that's 2.5.
Yeah, that's 2.5 mil. What are you talking about?
Oh my!
That's Jack Dorsey's original tweet. Minted it on the blockchain as an NFT forever on the Matic. And then I remember I had to look it up because somebody told me it wasn't on the Matic blockchain. But I'm like, no, it's on the Matic blockchain, which meaning that's probably one of the reasons why Matic is probably pumping right now, because people are like, oh my God, this is on Poly Network, whatever they're calling themselves right now. And boom, it's just like
Polygon.
That. Polygon. They call themselves Polygon. But yes, but it's on the Matic network, bro. And I can literally click on it, boom, and it takes me to the network and it shows me the transactions that have been happening on it. Even though this is just a carbon copy of XDAI, but you know, I'm not tripping, man. Wherever the funds is flowing, the funds is flowing, bro. But 2.5 mil. What's good, King? What's good, Freddie A? Malcolm Rex? What's good, Scotty P? What's good, Carlos? Everybody just coming through. Yeah, it was good, Sergeant Crypto. Appreciate you. Yeah, I can just have conversations in the chat while we over here having conversations on the screen.
So you can only put these up if my bad, bro.
No, you're good. But you see the first offer though, right? The first offer was on December. I put the link in your chat already, but
I clicked it and I didn't see it. But when was it?
It was December 15th, 2020 was the first offer, which was $1. And then so I'm like, oh, so this was Ben's, like, think about it. He just tweeted about this, and this has been out since last year, since before the little mini bull we had January and February.
Right.
That's funny, bro.
Yo, so what's up, man? You got some stories, or you got some alts for the boys?
Well, some stories. Well, I was looking at this money movers info, and I'll drop that in your. I just dropped that right here for you guys to see. Pop that in the chat for you guys as well.
I could go to yours too.
And I was just looking at this money movers info. What blockchain settling more value, and you know, this is created by devs in the crypto community space, so take it with a grain of salt where this info coming from. But it says data updates at mid-time UTC from coin metrics transferred USD by blah, blah. So it tells you all the information where it's all the here's some other crypto. They've created crypto.fees as well, and they created Ethereum nodes as well. 1inch, of course, 1inch got their ETH node down. Poor things. But it was just showing how people were talking about Ethereum is not money, and you know, from whatever metric you want to use, the definition of money. But right now, more money is being settled on the Ethereum network than it is the Bitcoin network. You know what I'm saying? So when the people are saying Ethereum isn't money, it's kind of hard for me not to believe that Ethereum is money when I was just on a live stream with Crypto Blood, and he was talking about anytime he has promoters coming to him talking about they want to promote their product on his channel, whatever, he gets paid in ETH, like straight up. And then I was remember somebody else talking about how ETH is so bullish because all the influencers, all the YouTube influencers, all the Twitter influencers, all of them take ETH. All of them want ETH. Sometimes
That's
they
a
want
fact.
ETH over Bitcoin. Just straight up, because they know that they're gonna spend the ETH. They know that if they get the Bitcoin, they're gonna hodl it because they don't want to move it. But the ETH, they know they can do something with it. They can spend it. Just like how we're always wanting to spend money, they can spend the ETH and do something with it. So that, I think that's why people are saying ETH has like a really long legs this bull market, and I truly believe that too. But I guess
Bro, what about EIP 1559
yup.
going live in July, bro?
Man, that is, bro. I don't know if it's coming in July, dog. I don't know if it's coming in July, bro.
This is not an ETH 2.0 thing. This is EIP 1559. That's not no 2.0 thing right there. That's gonna happen. That's like when we had the Constantinople or whatever and all of that. That's one of those type.
It's a hard fork essentially to help with the upgrade of things are going. So now here's the thing: if we have that coming in July, why is everybody so hype about second layer solutions now?
Because it's expensive now. We still got like 3-4 months before July, bro. You think these gains is not trying to go down? Like, and honestly, I don't think it's gonna like fully solve gas issues, but it's gonna significantly help it.
Gas issues. Oh,
yeah.
Hey, John Hawkins, thank you for the tip, man. Thank you for the $5. Appreciate it. Of course.
Okay, Harris Milan said, how ironic. So he said they want ETH because they themselves are not educated on crypto. And then he says ETH has no supply cap. So very interesting that you put that out there. Yeah, I think that they definitely know that. But how it's very interesting that you say that, because this upgrade that's scheduled for July right now is going to make ETH deflationary. So the supply cap, bro, it's going to be going down. It's going to be, coins are going to be burned. It's going to have a bigger scarcity, or it's going to have more scarcity than Bitcoin at a certain point. Not in terms of how many exist versus how many exist, but how many are being added to the market. Yeah, it's going to become more scarce than Bitcoin.
How much is added to the market?
Maximalists don't want to hear that.
Yeah, it's weird. It's weird the economics of how it's going to work. Essentially, less ETH is going to be printed on the market versus the amount that's being burned and then used and then mined and then given to the validators and whatnot. But my thing is with this, like, and I know this is probably going more into the technicals of how ETH works, but how does this lower gas fees? Like, does it just make the gas fees a one fee thing? Like, it makes a gas fees like a one standard where everybody can accept it, and then the miners are just going to have to deal with that one standard of the gas fee price? Because right now, the model is you pay more gas, the miners push your transaction through faster.
Yeah, it's something along those lines, actually. But you're still going to be able to get your transactions prioritized through tipping. But there is going to be like some standard gas rate that's not the same as how it works today. I wouldn't be able to bust that down, for you the way that I've been able to take it in, but yeah, be some base gas fee.
MG Tao saying miners get paid with a higher ETH price instead of the transaction fees, because the price of ETH is going to be higher as these things start happening. So even though they're still getting a standard amount, the price of ETH is going up.
That's the hopes, is that more people will continue to use ETH because of it, so they'll be processing more transactions. But a lot of them are like, do you see how much transactions we're processing? Like, a lot of them are like, bro, do you see how much money we're processing? Like, we getting it right now, bro. Like, we don't need to change this. Like, but
Carlos in the chat talking about the miners got theirs, man. Bring on proof of stake. He's like, the miners good and fat, bro. Don't worry about them, man. Bring this proof of stake, because it's a fight, bro. It's a fight.
But overall, it does help Ethereum long term. So I'm glad that they came to a conclusion, and hopefully that upgrade gets us back to at least like like $3, $5 fees. Like I could deal with
Nah,
those.
I can deal
I
with
can deal
like
with those.
I can deal with like to do a transaction or to like so $10 fee to do what?
A Uniswap transaction, bro, not no sending.
Okay, so $10 fee to do a Uniswap transaction.
And
That kind of
I still don't want 10. I want like $3 to $5, bro.
yeah, but that's how do I put it? Back in the day, I'd say like maybe 10 years ago, brokerage accounts, $10 a trade was like the average. Like, you know what I'm saying? So even though
Okay.
we're still moving backwards when it comes to like crypto in that sense, I'm okay with doing that if I have the freedom to be able to do this decentralized and move like in that manner. I'll pay the $10 fee. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, and I look at it as
And
temporary
better than
until
$56
E2,
gas fees, bro. Yeah, and it's better than
bro.
50. Like,
Yes.
we're gonna be talking about this in the future, man. You remember when them gas fees was $100? We were really paying for this stuff. What were we thinking? Because we're gonna just get to a point where them fees ain't really gonna be hitting like that.
So,
10,
Harris.
yo,
Well, Harris, are you against ETH or something, man? Like July means next year, October for ETH devs.
$10, you wilding out. F that. How about $1 to $3? F those, bro. These people really don't like the miners in here, bro. They don't.
He said I'm a hater. This dude's an ETH hater.
Hey,
All right, hey, whatever, man. To each his own, man. I'm all the way big time ETH fan, but I rock with the second layers or the bridges and stuff like that. So I rock with Binance Smart Chain. I took a look at yeah, I know you don't rock with them, but that's where the money at, man. You rocking with XDAI. Ain't no money on XDAI, bro.
Ain't no money on
Let's be
XDAI.
real.
You right. Ain't nobody jumping to XDAI doing even
I've
people
checked
doing
out
that.
XDAI. I've checked out
You right,
XDAI and
but
tried to
look,
do some research and find some gems. It's slow.
it's
It's
slow,
slow
bro.
for that,
It's
bro.
slow. It's slow as hell. But y'all know y'all gotta go to BNB. Y'all gotta go to low key for the BNB talk.
Yeah, and I'm not every day BNB Poppy putting out stuff every day, but
you more decentralized than I am because I'm over here saying no, and you over here talking about decentralized. I don't care what you talking about. I'm gonna try it all.
oh yeah, I'm trying it all. I'm waiting for Telos to drop their they got their EVM coming this month, so I'm gonna try that out too. I tried to get on that ZK, what is that thing called? ZK swap. Yeah, nah, it wasn't really hitting for me like that. But I tried them all out, man. You know me. I'm try Tron. I try EOS, Telos, IOST, Ethereum. I done sent money on Bitcoin Cash once in my life. I done, you know what I mean? Like I try everything, bro. I done tried Nano, Litecoin. I'm on it. I'm on it. Dash. I was rocking with Dash, Monero, all of them. Zcash,
Yeah,
all of
but
them.
no, but I remember when I first found your channel, I'm like, man, he's actually trying all the other stuff. Why? You know? but you at least you was trying it though.
Oh man.
But
Yeah, Avalanche looks good, but it's the same thing with XDAI. I haven't seen much going on over there. I think XDAI has probably one of the best opportunities aside from Matic, but I haven't seen anything going on
but
Avalanche.
my thing is like, so right now with Avalanche, right? So if what is it, AVX, right? It's sitting at
AVAX.
AVAX. It's sitting at number 43. How long have they been operating?
Bro,
Like
this is what I don't like about crypto. Like
how long have they been around, bro?
how are they number 43, bro?
Bro, how long
Like
has
I'm
how
cool
long
with
has they
that.
token been out for not even a year? Their token hasn't even been out a year, and they're 43. And
That's what happens when
they
you
don't
have
even have
like private investors.
and
That's what happens when you have private investors.
I'm saying, and you know, XDAI hasn't been out a year, but it's just about hitting about its year, being around, and you know, it's sitting at freaking, what is it sitting at 263? You get what I'm saying? Well, it was good everything currency, and my dog over there, I see you, bro. What's up? Appreciate the 5, man. Yeah, we got to do it like a StreamYard. I was just on the StreamYard. But no, but back to what I'm saying. But yeah, even XDAI is sitting at 2. Like, imagine if XDAI was sitting at 43 right now. Do you know the level of market cap? Do you know the price it would be? And it has more stuff built on it
Jeez.
than Avalanche, has more stuff built on it than Matic. But it's still, and it goes to show you it's all about a popularity contest in crypto. You could have the best working product out. It don't matter. Do you have the hype behind it?
I ain't gonna lie though, the reason XDAI is not worth more money right now is because they use DAI tokens as their gas fees. I don't know why they didn't just go ahead and make it the XDAI token instead of DAI tokens.
Mm-hmm.
If they would have did that, it would be way higher, bro. Like, why would you do that? The XDAI token strictly for governance? Like, bro, nobody's looking for a stable coin to be your gas coin. We want that to gain value. You know what I'm saying? We want ETH to gain value, paying transactions in ETH, or even if you have to stake, another coin to get transaction resources, just that's what we want to gain value. So the fact that they're using DAI tokens is probably what's preventing it from really growing like that.
Random comment in the big E32 talking about Uni pumping right now to $34. I was talking about it yesterday. How it broke top 10 yesterday on yesterday's stream. Blah, I'm over here stuttering. And their airdrop right now. Airdrop right now. Your $400 airdrop's worth $13,500. Yo, free 400.
You know how many times I double check wallets, bro? I'm still checking wallets.
Yo, and think about this. Yo. People had multiple wallets with easy money. Yo, I ain't even for the lie. I did sell half my bag, and then I started dollar cost averaging down, and so I didn't get all my 400 back, but God, bro, easy money. And to think about it, bro, at the time we didn't really need the money. When this airdrop happened, we didn't need the money. It wasn't. We could have just held on to it, and just like how we do all of these other nonsense tokens, bro.
H Boogie said, "Oh, first and foremost, Sandman's been talking about on AVAX. There's some PNG token, Pangolian. I think that's like a Uniswap type platform. There's an airdrop, so go check it out if you rock with AVAX. We're talking airdrops right now. Go get that if you know what I mean. That's free money. I don't care what platform it is, bro. Go get that free bag. You know what I'm saying? It could be BitConnect got a new coin. They got a new coin. Go get it. It's a free airdrop. Sell it. You know what I mean? So." And then shout out to H Boogie. Ask him about ganja. We're gonna try to look that up in a minute.
Hey, Hourglass. Hey, shout out to Hourglass. I'm gonna let you know right now. Don't sell that uni bag until you start seeing it on CNBC. When you start seeing when you start seeing CNBC talking about Uniswap, that's when you sell that bag, bro. That's when you sell. When they teaching people how to use MetaMask, bro, sell the bag.
Everything. Don't sell that, bro. Sell everything, bro. What are you talking about? Like, bro.
When I'm seeing Yahoo Finance talk about this is how you create a MetaMask account, I'm done. I'm gone.
Oh no!
Hit it, because that's when you know it's over, bro. It's over. They shutting it down. They letting your grandma in.
Yo, but I'm sorry. I don't care how anybody feels with this. What I'm about to say. I just don't like seeing Cardano at number 3 without any live smart contracts.
Oh,
bro.
yeah. Hey, call me an 88 hater, bro. I'll be an 88 hater, bro. But
don't care. Yeah.
Cardano, number 3?
It just bothers me that they don't have products running on their platform. I'm okay with them being valuable, and I'm okay with them in the future maybe gaining that, but just the fact that it's not live right now and it's number 3, it boggles me, bro.
And it's gonna go higher. And it's gonna go higher. And that's scary.
That's what scares me,
bro. Because it's gonna go higher. Eventually. Because think about it, it's number 3, and it's goddamn, well, now it's $1, whatever, but it's number 3. Say that it goes to, what does it have to do to double? It has to double its market cap to double in price. So to double that market cap of what, 37 billion to 67 billion, people are gonna say, oh, it's number 3 and it's only $2. I gotta get me some of them.
Billion.
You know what I'm saying? I wouldn't be shocked if Binance doesn't do like what do they call it, a stock split?
Binance burns coins. So...
Yeah, even though they burn coins, they've been burning coins from the beginning, bro. But like looking at the top 10, the cheapest thing on the top 10 right now is XRP, and it's always going to be XRP because of the way XRP is. But the second next cheapest thing, Tether, which is $1, but everybody's gonna.
Damn, that's so crazy in this bull run. How is XRP worth less than a Tether, bro? Like, this is not good. This is no good, man.
XRP is worth less.
Bro, last bull run, XRP was like $3 or something like that, bro.
You know what I'm saying? And so you got that, and then the third highest thing is gonna be Cardano. You know what I'm saying? And it's going to be a couple of dollars. So people are going to think it's a blue chip. Man, I'm good. At the end of the day, I'm pretty sure people are stacking up Cardano. People are stacking it up to use the smart contracts, whatever. I just need a project out. Once I start seeing devs actually leave, I'll leave with the devs. That's what I'm going to do. When I start seeing devs take away they .eth and put .ada. All right, I'm gone, y'all. Look, I done seen the wave moving.
Hey, you know me. I'm trying it out. You know what I'm saying? Once they got projects, you know I'm gonna have my ADA wallet. I'm going crazy. I'm connecting. I'm swapping. I'm doing all of that stuff. But I can't do that right now, and that's what bothers me. The fact that it's number 3 and I can't even do that.
Number 3.
Then you got a project like, all right, I understand that Binance. Both their blockchains are centralized, but just thinking about it from just an economic standpoint, you got Binance, one of the biggest exchanges in the world for cryptocurrency, and it has a utility. Their coin has a utility on their platform, right, to get you discounts. Then you have the Binance chain, right? Not Binance Smart Chain. You have the Binance chain, which was already like a launch pad and stuff like that for certain projects out there. Now you got Binance Smart Chain, which is like Ethereum. They got everything going on like Ethereum. And Cardano's above that. That just makes no sense to me, bro. I'm sorry. It doesn't make no sense to me. Somebody mentioned, Polkadot's not live either. At least with Polkadot, you got Kusama that's, kind of like a test environment. Isn't that how Kusama works? It's kind of like a live test environment for what Polkadot is doing.
Yeah. That's what Kusama is.
Like you can actually run contracts on there, right?
Yeah, so that's what Kusama is, but bruh, sorry, somebody just put this in the chat. This Smartland SLT. Nah, bro, this ain't it, dog.
I ain't even gonna know that.
this ain't it, bruh. This has been I see what they're trying to do. They've been around since 2018. They talking about regulated tokenized assets. It pumped recently. Yes, it's shown up just pump, but all of its volume is on Whitebit and Stellar Term. Nah, bro, this ain't it, bro. Not trying to.
I'm beginning to think most people don't care about centralization.
Not this wave. Most people don't even know what centralization is. They don't even know why they're buying Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. All they know is that the price is going up. I'm buying some more.
It's very important too that need to care about centralization is the devs. Those are the guys that you want them to care about it, because then they're going to continue to build on decentralized platforms, and users will just use products. That's all. Users just want to use products. They just want to make gains. But as long as the developers are aware of which platforms are decentralized and building on there, then we should be good to go. That's the way I look at it.
Yeah. Just going back to the whole centralization, decentralization. People don't care about decentralization until the bear market. Remember that. If you stick around long enough in the crypto, people don't care about decentralization. People don't care about the technology until it's a bear market. I don't know if I was just talking about this before or when I was with Crypto Blood on his live stream, bro. I've been watching devs on like hardcore like devs. They talk about the technology all throughout Twitter. You know what I'm saying? Soon as Bitcoin price started going up, these devs talking about prices now. These devs are technical analysts now.
Bro. You ain't even lying, bro.
Bro, think about it. Like, there ain't no one talking about well, there's people talk, but these hardcore people that were talking about the technology are now, oh, look at the price, look at the price, look at the price now. Because it's a bull market. And that's all that matters right now. We'll worry about the technology when the brand market comes back and everybody leaves and we're all good and safe, bro. And we're all depressed and everybody has to remember why you're here. But bro, that's all that's gonna happen.
You ain't even lying, bro. You ain't even lying.
we just went through it, bro. Just what is it? Sorry, I'm over here stuttering and stuff. I'm dropping this little link in the chat for everybody. I'm putting it in your chat right now. But it's pretty much people out here. Of course, another Twitter influencer just following their information that they're getting off of Glassnode or whatnot. But this support is holding nicely and it got a little bit stronger. We have a wall at 1.2 million. BTC moved on chain between 46K to about 48K. That's about 6% of the circulating supplies. I'm surprised we go lower anytime soon. As long as we stay above 50K, we're long. So, you know, like I said, guys, it's crypto, bro. Everything's on the blockchain. Everything's on the ledger. You can read it all. And now you have, of course, companies like Glassnode who give out indicators because they got the software to read the blockchain in a way that they can produce this information for us. And there's multiple places other than Glassnode. Of course, you know, Willy Woo's has, you know, some analytics as well over a time period as well. But I just wanted to make sure to bring that to you. I also have a tweet here from Sentiment. They got a pretty good, I guess, how do I put it? A lot of their indicators are off of sentiment, so off of like number of tweets or this and that, or like the amount of information going through Google searches, this, like all those kind of. So they call themselves sentiment, but it's more like sentiment, people's sentiment across the crypto space. And you know, they use Reddit as well. They feed off the Reddits. And in spite of Bitcoin hovering over 46 to 52K the past week, the sentiment on Twitter is at mostly bearish levels. And we've hit the most bearish level since October 1st, 2020. So it's crazy to see how bearish we are right now, but how bullish the price is looking. And when everybody's like, they really be telling it like when everybody's.
It didn't
bearish,
even feel that bad. This didn't even feel very bearish. It felt so normal, bro. Like,
yeah, but I'm not gonna lie. When of course I remember when I was at your house and you know we were talking about you know the monies and everything, and then you know the laser eyes, and that was literally the weekend before laser eyes. That was laser eyes.
Yeah, weekend. You ain't even lying. Yeah,
and then we were just talking, and I was just talking to you, and I was telling you, you know, whatever gains. And then what happened? What happened that Monday that came through, that Tuesday that came through? Whoosh, 40% gone in a.
I was on the sidelines. I was stabled up.
But no, I was stabled up, chilling in stable coins, and I'm over here watching the portfolio get destroyed. I'm like, oh wow! So that's what 40% looks like with this portfolio now. That hurts. Sheesh. That hurts. Bro. And so, but even throughout that, of that 40%, we're already back up 20% when it comes to like altcoins and whatnot. So,
right.
And then of course, you know me, I'm doing the whole trade a quick altcoin to create a little bag and then just accumulate as much ETH and Bitcoin as possible. But doing that, the portfolio itself is just not dropping as much and continuing to go up. So even though I lost that 40%, half of that is slowly already coming back. So I'm like, all right, so just keep doing the play, accumulate, hodl through it, because we're still barely halfway through this bull market, if that, you know. We're halfway
Talk that
through, bro.
talk.
We're halfway through. Like that's pulling up this indicator. This is what we bull charts. Drop it in bread chat right now. And right now, what is this? Bitcoin price model from Willy Woo. He's a real big Bitcoin bull. And this price model right here, I believe, I don't think this one has the. There are different Bitcoin price models attached to this one, so you can see like there's all these different lines. So like the green one is like it predicts Bitcoin's tops. This orange one essentially predicts Bitcoin bottom, like orange, but this is what purple. Purple one predicts Bitcoin's bottoms. Realized is like the realized price of Bitcoin, but the real one that you really need to care about is the green one and the purple one. And of course, I know this looks like the stock to flow model that everybody's seen. This also looks like the logarithmic curve that everybody sees. But that's the thing. Like, we need these things to confirm our biases of like where we think we're gonna top out at. And I'm telling you, when we get like, I'm promising you, I'm gonna be showing these things like when we get to when these indicators start showing us that hey y'all, we in the green. I'm gonna be there. I'm making the video. Look, guys. All these indicators that we've been looking at for the past year and a half are all saying we need to be selling right now. So I'm going to let you make your decision on what we going to do. But I've been hodling for too long not to take these gains. You get what I'm saying? I'm going to trust it.
My man Lone Sigma said he made so much gains that 1% movement is like a paycheck. Stressful in a downtrend, bro.
Bruh, a 10% move. And I'm not going to, because you can do real easy math off of 10%. But like if I say a 10% move made me move $10,000, nigga, you got $100,000. What you talking about?
Right.
You know? But a 10% move, bro, I'm like,
nah, 10% move is vicious, bro. I ain't gonna lie. 10% is vicious, bro.
Vicious. Like I can't, bro. It hurts too much. And I just like, don't look at it. Just don't look at it. Just go do something, bro. Just go to work. Go to work, bro. That's why that's when the overtime doesn't feel bad.
Right? You're like, I'm working OT, bro.
I'm working OT. I don't even want to go home. I got to.
You know what's crazy is that I've been working a lot lately, so I actually get up in the morning, like a little extra early, and I'll be catching little plays in the morning time, bro. Like I'm talking like 4:30 a.m. going to 5 a.m.
Gas fees are super low. Gas fees are stupid low. No one's on there.
That's a little secret right there, man, for real. And these little gems just be popping out, and I be getting to go first. Like, oh, okay, I know about this before you. You know what I mean? Like,
but that's the game. You gotta know it. Gotta know it before everybody else. You know what I'm saying? It just gotta work that way.
Ooh, he said that loss dropped him 20K. Oh boy, panic attack. What up, Banderdash? Yeah, so what's up, man? We looking at any alts, man? I want to see what y'all looking at, man. What you looking at, lately?
Bro, my people have been dropping alts in the chat this whole time. I just been popping it on the side for them every time they call it out or something.
So what happened with Paid, man? Paid Network,
man. Rug pull. That's what happened. And even though they say it's not a rug pull, the way that it happened, it can only be a rug pull. That's the thing.
Like, word?
Yeah, like people be like, you don't think these devs is gonna call you out for like how your shit works? Like, bro, literally these devs go in, they look at the contract, they're talking about, we had it was a hack. No, bruh. The way this contract works and the way that contract works, since you're using a proxy, because your smart contract works in a proxy, that means only you and the dev team could have done this. So you guys rug pulled.
Damn.
Bruh, devs is gonna call you out on your stuff. Don't even try it.
Exposed, bro.
Bruh, expose them. But that's the thing. It's called what? Self-regulation. That's what it is. They gonna snitch on each other because they trying to make sure the space is clean.
Nah, I'm all for it.
You know what I'm
Yeah, I
saying?
mean, I ain't for the snitching, but in general, like you gonna
Snitch.
rug pull people.
You know what I'm saying? If you rug pulling people, hey, we're gonna have to call that out and get out of here because either
that's a fact.
we self-regulate or they come in and regulate us.
Yeah, that's just a fact.
That's all it is, bro.
Somebody talk about shadows. That was one that I was definitely there you go. That I was rocking with. Is this the one that I was? Is this the polka dot? So here, you want to know something I've been noticing, bro? So these synthetic asset platforms, yeah, they be having a little pop off real quick, the new ones and stuff, you know. So you got like Shadows that's supposed to be on Polkadot, and you know, you had like Lena that's on Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum. You got obviously synthetics. But I feel like the reason synthetics hasn't been popping off lately is because people don't really care about a lot of these synthetic assets. Like they don't really care about buying Apple stocks and Tesla stocks on Ethereum, especially with the fees that's going on. So, I mean, I do think long term, like long term, they're gonna have value, but people don't really care right now. They want crypto, bro. Like people are okay with crypto just being crypto.
I think synthetics is gonna pop off in the bear market. I think as long as the liquidity doesn't dry up, as long as there's no liquidity crash, if synthetics can provide products that are going up in our bear market, then yeah. Like I think this bear market is going to be real different type of bear market because
definitely
there's going to be options for us instead of just holding on to these cryptos. As long as
you could short, you could put options because now they got like options trading on these joints. You could get inverse, you know, you get inverse crazy, tokens, bro.
But as long as these things hold up,
right?
Hold on,
somebody save him, bro.
But as long as these things hold up, because you know a lot of this stuff is based off of synthetic dollars, synthetic stable coins, DAI, USDC. Mess around, and next thing you know, the next bear market comes, and all of a sudden USDC can't hold its peg. All of a sudden, but it happened with Tether multiple times during the bear market, and they still hear like nothing. But you know what I'm saying? But if USDC loses its peg too much, people can get liquidated on their because that's what happened with DAI. DAI lost its peg a little bit, and people got leveraged out of their maker loans and stuff like that.
Yeah, terrible. That was an ugly situation.
So you know that's what I'm saying. Like you don't want something like that to happen when you could have just been holding on to the stable coin, but instead you put it in this smart contract, and now that bit evaporated, gone.
Right.
So you just
somebody asked me if I think that NFTs are a bubble in the making. Yeah, I think that NFT is definitely going to have long-term value, but I think it's just going to have a hype cycle. I don't know if it's necessarily a bubble, because I feel like in about 2 weeks, it's not even going to be that serious anymore. Like, I think it's just going to be a quick hype cycle, but they're going to be here to stay. They're NFTs. It's digital art. It's ownership of, you know, non-fungible assets, and it's going to be able to go to all these different markets, whether it's gaming, whether it's, you know, ownership in like real estate or titles and things of that nature, or just digital art or music content. Like, it's going to be here to stay, but it's just not going to have the same hype moving forward. More than likely, it's just going to become a tool. So that's what I think. And if anything, is NFTs the hype? No, is art. Art is the bubble right now. Like,
the art version of NFTs. I had a full blown argument with somebody, and on Bloods. Like I said, I just did the live stream before that. Full blown argument with this dude talking about NFTs are valuable and blah 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 blah. And I'm like, bro, when the bear market comes, NFTs gonna crash with us. Shut up, bro. Like, no, they NFTs are gonna decouple from crypto. Man, NFTs are crypto. What are you talking about? No, they're not gonna decouple from no crypto. I'm like, look, when everything. I mean, granted, maybe the value of the NFT may not crash. You know what I'm saying? If you buy an NFT, like the Twitter NFT. He's gonna pay 25 million for it. Well, he's gonna have to find somebody, not 25 million, 2,500,000, but he's gonna have to find somebody to pay $2,500,000 for it. But just because we're in a bear market, that doesn't mean that thing's not worth $2,500,000. He just gotta sell it for
everything Currency said hella gonna crash, bro. That shit gonna crash, bro. Like
it's gonna be
everything, bro. The only thing that's not gonna crash in crypto, even these sometimes, to be completely honest, but the only thing that's not gonna crash is the inverse coins, bro. That's it. But the bear market be so bad, bro. Like people don't understand how savage the bear market is. Where what you think is gonna work, like an inverse coin, might not work the way you need it to because of the decentralized nature of it. They got pools, they got this liquidity tied to it, bro, and then the liquidity pairs aren't holding.
Bro, it's so many things are gonna fail. So many things are gonna
know what the savage is like, bro.
Everyone's gonna think, oh, I'm gonna be safe right here because I'm just gonna short it. All right, say less. Say less. All right, we'll see. Thank you, Kuru. Thank you, Kuru, for the $5 tip. What altcoins y'all eyeing this week? Well, we getting into it right now. I'll tell you what I'm eyeing in a second. But somebody just put this right here in the chat. It looks like Oxygen DeFi. It looks like they're having the IEO/IDO. From what I'm looking at, this guys looks like it's gonna be something that's gonna pop out real quick. Looks like it's gonna be these are the different exchanges that they're gonna have their initial DEX offering, initial exchange offering, and whatnot. Because that's what things are. So when it comes to things like this, when I've seen things go like on centralized exchanges as well as decentralized exchanges all at the same time, there's initially a dump because eventually somebody did get some tokens early, and then you pretty much try to look for the price floor from there, and then get into it. But it looks cool. But it looks cool. It's supposed to be like a cross-chain wallet where you can just use one wallet and go through different multiple blockchains. I like the idea. Cool. I'm just waiting for. I'm waiting for one to catch traction. You know what I'm saying? I'm waiting for one to catch, because at the end of the day, we're so early to this crypto thing that even if I don't catch it like day one, I'm catching it before the people who are going to come in when CNBC talking about Uniswap. I'm gonna catch it before them, and they're gonna whatever pump my bags. But that's how I feel about it. I'm gonna keep that one up though, since it's a probable IEO that a person could get into. Now a coin that I've been looking into a little bit even more, and I told you guys multiple times if you've been watching the stream that I actually have a bag of this, so that's why I don't feel like I don't want to shill it too much. But I actually got like this. This is this Alchemix. It's something that's built on the Yearn ecosystem and whatnot.
What's the ticker? I'm trying to pull it up over here too.
It's ALCX. And so just to make it like very, very simple.
He got money. My bad.
He's stupid, bro. But I'll be transparent with people, bro. I got in like around $400 straight up. My first position, nice. I got in at $400. I sold half of it when it hit like 100-ish, and then I just been holding the other half, and the other half is holding up pretty nicely. Like I saw when it first did this first dump back down to 800, second dump back down to 900, and now it does another dump back down to 1,000. So it's holding up pretty well. It's in the $37 million market cap. It's only on SushiSwap. You can probably get it on 0x, but it's not on Uniswap, or at least the pair doesn't have enough liquidity to show up on Uniswap. And yeah, the reason why I got into this project was because, what's his name? Yearn.
Andre Cronje.
He tweeted, he tweeted about it. It looked interesting to me because it wasn't really like super hyped, and then I FOMO'd in on it. But what it is, it's essentially, you know how you borrow, essentially do the whole maker thing, you borrow collateral and whatnot, but you have to pay that collateral back. Well, what if you didn't have to pay the collateral back? What if the collateral paid itself back over time? So
Mm.
it's yeah, so that's how it's working. It's like you use the collateral on their platform, but because it's connecting to Yearn's V2 vaults, um because it's connected to Yearn V2 vaults, it can do this process and where it can pay your collateral back over time to where you can borrow more synthetic assets over time, which is it's pretty cool. I was like, well, I was trying to play with it, but I was like, let me not, play with too much about this. Because I was like, because I've a lot of buggy stuff has been happening on the Yearn infrastructure ecosystem type stuff. Hacks have been happening over there and whatnot. So I haven't been too deep into it because, yeah.
So everything currency had mentioned Luxo. I know a lot of people are on Luxo, and everything currency. He's big baller out here. So
Oh, you know he
we
is.
you
You
know
don't
we
see how
seen
you
the
be,
Omi call. We
bro.
seen the Omi
I saw
call.
that Omi call.
Me and Kenzie was looking at the Omi call, my friend,
Hey.
and it was very nice. So when everything currency, matter of fact, let me pull up. I know Kenzie, you probably want to show some love too. Let me show
Bro, I
some
just
love to
put,
everything currency.
yeah, show my
Y'all
dog
gotta
some love.
go.
Hold on.
Yeah, y'all gotta go check his channel out, man, because he's putting out some gems that other YouTubers are just not putting out at the same speed as him. So definitely go check out my boy Everything Currency. Let me make this a better size screen because he talked about AVAX when it was like $5 or something like that, and he probably gonna jump in the chat and say like, excuse me, $3? No, I'm playing. But
Wow, I
he
can't
didn't talk
spell.
about AVAX for the low. He talked about Omi for the low. He talked about Luxo for the low. So definitely he's kind of like me where he goes to into the extra worlds of other blockchains and everything. He's down for all of that. You know what I'm saying? So, but he does different stuff from what I do, which is even doper because I got somebody I could watch that's doing something completely different. So, definitely check his channel out, and he's growing, bro.
Yeah, but bro,
3.4K. Yo, he's growing.
bro,
He's
forget all that. He
growing.
gets more views than me. 18,
Yeah.
8, what you talking about? Bro, get more views than me.
Yeah. I don't know if we should have shouted him out. He's gonna pass us.
Bro, he's gonna blow us through the water. Like, bro,
But
getting consistent more views than me.
Luxo, I
Well,
believe, is an NFT platform as well. I don't know everything about this, but people have been talking to me about Luxo for a while, and I've seen him talking about Luxo for a while.
bro,
So I'm just putting it on the radar.
man, Luxo's gone, bro. It's gone, dog. If you
Yeah,
look
it's
at that
already.
chart, bro, if you look at
It's
that chart,
already.
that chart looks savage, bro. And the thing, Chico Ben got us on Luxo, bro. God, I
A
hate that.
word.
Chico Ben told us about Luxo. He Ben had a bag of Luxo, dog. And I was just like, man, I don't know about these
Oh yeah,
NFT
Luxo's out
things.
of here. Luxo is out of here. All right,
Bro, Luxo
I'm
is
happy for
gone.
y'all, man, but y'all can't
Luxo
be putting me on
gone,
to
bro.
Luxo at $16, guys. Like, nah, let me not even say that because I know everybody probably just like, what? I told you at 50 cents.
I
You
told
know.
you, bro. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Chico got us in at like a couple of cents, bro. He told us
Yeah,
about his
everything
bag.
currency. He said he was on it before Chico. I'm pretty sure Chico saw your channel, bro. They be watching us.
Yeah,
I
the
know,
smaller,
yo,
the
they be watching
smaller,
us.
the bigger chat. But that's where they get their content. That's part of their. It's part
It's
of this.
fine. It's a good thing. It's
It's,
cool,
but it's true,
but
bro.
it's very
That's
true though.
the bigger channels follow the smaller channels because they don't have the time to get into the nitty gritty like we do. We're in the nitty gritty. You know what I'm saying? They got to produce a video every day.
Yo,
Every
bro,
day
he
they got
said
to be new.
Luxo going to 100 easy. So now I'm kind of FOMOing at $16, bro.
I know, and I know Chico has his stuff sitting in liquidity pool too. He has his Luxo sitting in liquidity. I remember at the time when we finally saw his bag of like Luxo, it was like $7,000, bro. It was like $7,000 worth of Luxo sitting in a liquidity pool, bro. After this pump, I haven't, bro. That was like 20. That was 2020, bro, and that's like at $1 something. This bitch is, bro. I know he's eating off the liquidity pool right now, bro. I'm
Yo.
pissed, and it's only
Oh
and the
man.
majority of the volumes on Uniswap ain't really eating off of these. But but I remember I remember when people got mad at people using Bybit links, and when the market goes up, when the market goes up, they make money, and then when the market goes down, they make money. When you're in liquidity pools, if the market goes up, you're making money off fees. If the market's going down, you're making money off fees. So what's the difference?
You're making coins. That don't mean you're making money.
No,
Just
but
be clear, bro. You in a ETH slash random coin, and ETH is going down, bro, and that random coin is going down. You get extra coins. Oh yeah.
yeah.
But if it's a 10% hit, 20% hit, it hurts, bro.
But the fees do work, bro. I'm telling you, dog. If you get in early enough and have a significant position early enough,
yeah,
bro,
if
staying in as long as staying in is all you need to do.
Yeah, if it's a solid project, you good, man. Just to put it out there for my Binance Smart Chain folks too. Like Pancake is a good example of a liquidity pool you might want to be in. You can farm Pancake, and you can also accumulate fees from it as well. And there's a bunch of platforms like Beefy Finance or Auto that will automatically invest your fees that you get, so you could compound.
Rehypothecators, whatever. Is that how they call it?
Oh, you getting fancy for me, bro. That's a little too fancy for me.
What you mean,
But that sounds about right. What's that?
Oh, so shout out to my dog, dogelord.com, bro. My homeboy, he has his website where he makes crypto merch.
Shill Cousins got sponsors now? No, I'm playing.
Shill Cousins got sponsors, bro. But nah, bro. I've been rocking with him for a minute. A lot of my crypto gear comes from him too. So this is
I think I remember watching some of your older videos. You interviewed him before.
Yeah, bro. We come from the same tree. Videos. Yeah, we come from the same tree, bro. We come from the Peter Saddington tree, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's who I first started. That's one of the first people I started watching when I first got into crypto. He don't do crypto videos no more, but you know what I'm saying? Got to.
Right.
Got the accessories.
I might have to check one of these out. Yeah, I'm cool with Doge like that, but
bro, it's all crypto stuff. It's like dogelord.com, but it's all crypto stuff, bro.
Yeah, I might need me a mask or something. Yeah, so real quick, let me just get 2 Binance Smart Chain potential projects out there. High risk, guys. When I say high risk, I don't mean like completely degen, but you still got to be careful because these things are new. So one of them is Iron Finance. This one had just recently came out. It seems kind of like a seniorized project, but they got $27 million locked in total value in one day. So it's definitely something that I'm paying attention to. And they're already partnered with like Value DeFi. I'm paying attention to this, but I'm not in it yet. So don't just jump in because you see me talk about it, but it's something to keep your eye on. And then the other one is BSC Starter. This is supposed to be like BSC Pad, one of these launch pads, but a decentralized version of it, because BSC Pad, they have control over who's able to do initial DEX offerings or whatever it is, the launch pad products. On BSC Starter, it's not like that. It's community driven. So also, I don't know the devs or anything behind this project. So even when I go into this one, because this is one I'm going to buy tomorrow when it comes out, I'm going in light. I'm not going all in until I really see projects launch. You know what I'm saying? So just want to put those 2 out there for anybody that's looking for some potential BSC projects, because y'all know the cousins rock with BSC over there, man.
Hey, at least we tell you, at least we honest with it. At least we 100%. But that's the point, bro. I be telling people, like, you gotta have different perspective, because you could follow one influencer and then that one influencer could manipulate how you see the space completely. I know somebody was talking about in the chat, BitBoy's a pump and dumper. Yeah, he could be a pump and dumper, but at the end of the day, his following is so big, he's giving people exactly what they want. They just want to see low cap altcoin gems that they can make quick money. Like, literally, that's what they feel that they need to come into the space to come find. They don't want to, get into the nitty gritty of like how this stuff actually works and how you're supposed to be moving. So he's providing that service And it shows that that's what people want because he's growing faster and faster and faster and, you know, making all of this money to the point where it's like, I can't even hate on it no more. You know, at one point I hated on it so much, and then I was just like, all right, bro, I can't even hate on it no more. Make your money. We gonna see how long that lasts, because, you know, it can't last forever. But as long as it's a bull market, it's gonna last. And if he sticks through the next bear market, he gonna keep growing. Period.
Shout out to BitBoy. That boy is here for good.
Yeah.
He's over. Well, he's at like 600,000 or something like that subscribers, and you know he a multi-millionaire. He out there with Graham Stephan. He's the
I saw the Graham Stephan one too.
Straight up. Like, I gotta put it out there. As much as people might not want to take it as this, he is the leader when it comes to YouTubers in this crypto space. Yeah. Doesn't mean you have to be on his team, like, or whatever the case might be, or a fan, but he's leading the crypto space on YouTube, hands down. The man does the live stream that's like a talk show. It's like ESPN, bro. And he gets 100,000 plus views on the live stream. He's getting 200,000 views on a live stream. He's taking it to the next level. So shout out to him. And I don't have no problem with no crypto YouTuber. So I salute what he's doing. I hope he keep pushing it forward and paving the way for people like us to just come up with innovative things and really pop off, you know?
Yeah, this is the truth. Like I said, I don't agree with it. He talks about a new coin every day, but that's what people want.
And a lot of people getting gains from those coins too.
But the real people who are making the most money, who have been rocking with him for a long time, who are in the chat groups, who are actually doing crypto, are doing. Bro, I remember when he brought Akon on the show. When I saw the Akon one, I was like, all right, F it, I can't hate no more. I ain't got Akon. I ain't got Akon over here. I ain't got Acoin shelling his nonsense to me.
Oh man, for real.
BitBoy is CNBC pretty much, because by the time he talks about your coin, it's already pumped 100x. But that's what people want to see. And what can you do? They gonna get ready.
Everybody talk about coins, man. Who's to say the frequency in which how often people should be talking about coins? Like, oh, if it was once a week, it ain't a problem. If he was like Sheldon Evans or something like that, or if it was, you know, Chico every like other week, he probably, you know, he's not putting out new projects every week, but like every other couple of weeks he got a little something. You know,
every week he got a new coin, bro. It's money making season. It's at the end of the day, it's money making season.
You got Elio, he's putting out plenty coins, you know, so BitBoy is just doing it all the time. And guess what?
That's what people
600,000 up. Like, and he's the crypto millionaire. I mean, there's a few of them that's already millionaires, but he's multi-millionaire.
It's obvious he's a millionaire now.
Yeah. He's like, I put in 500K into Cardano at 70 cents, and it was the best. And I'm like, God dang. God dang, bro.
So I don't want to know. And then seeing those videos humble me to death.
Right.
Yeah, it just be humble.
We having a little pullback.
We having a pullback right now.
A little something.
Oh, it got rejected. See, it got rejected right here. I was like, look, man, I gotta wake up and see this. We gotta be up here. You know what I'm saying? Whoa, I'm looking at the ETH chart. Let me go back to the Bitcoin chart. I'm sure. I'm using BLX futures. Yeah, just tighten up and squeeze just a little bit closer. You know what I'm saying? If we come back, I want to come back down to maybe like 58. If we come back,
I actually want to retest this area right here so that we can make sure that it's actual support.
Yeah, you know,
that's what I'm looking for.
Yeah. So that's around 58, right? I mean, not 58, like 48. I know you're saying 58, like I don't mean 48.
Yeah, 48 is definitely one of them. I like where we're at right now. If we could just stay around where we're at right now and kind of just test it a few times at 50, that would be wonderful, because 50 is the psychological number too. You know, when people look in their portfolios and they see Bitcoin under 50,000 or Bitcoin over 50,000, that means two different things to them, you know? So that don't mean support and resistance for most people that's buying Bitcoin on Cash App. You know what I'm saying?
Sure enough, don't. But yeah, that 50, dang, bro, we were just at 51, almost going up.
51.6, 51.7, like
Yeah,
going crazy.
and now we right back down. Bro, my chat is stupid, bro. I hate you guys, because majority of my people come from Chico, and they just going in on BitBoy right now, but they don't care what we talking about.
Yeah,
BitBoy ain't 39, he looks 60. Jesus. But that's what crypto does to you. You're watching it all like
BitBoy 39.
Yeah, bro. A lot of these influencers, bro, they're all around our age.
I thought he was older than that. I mean, 39 is a little more reasonable than Charles Hoskinson. Your boy
is 34. Ain't he like 36, 37? And I'm like, Charles, you look like you ready to kill over. What you talking about?
Yo, Charles Hoskinson, bro. His name itself don't sound like his age, bro.
Bro, I'm like, this dude can't be no 36, 37, dog. He can't. Bro, he can't. But
Charles is 33, somebody said.
Bro, he can't be. All right, bro, I'm looking up now. Bro, y'all playing, bro.
Yo, can we do a fundraiser to get him like a good outfit, bro?
Nah,
we gotta get Charles an outfit, bro. Like, I'm tired of the tucked in shirts, bro. Like, I'm tired of it. Your man been looking like a professor for too long, bro. I'm sorry, your man been looking like a professor for too long.
Yo, this dude is 33. Lies. This dude can't be 33, bro.
He's the same age as Chico, bro.
He's the same age as Chico. Listen, man.
That's why Chico be like, yo, do y'all not see who this guy is? Like, I think that's why Chico really don't like him. But he's like, nah, this guy's a fraud, bro. Yeah.
I mean, Vitalik's younger, bro. So Vitalik's younger. I get, but Vitalik doesn't.
Vitalik don't move like him, bro. Vitalik
move like Charles.
Vitalik don't move like him, bro.
Nah, he 46. Bro's in the chat like Ras Clat. Why? I had to read it that way too.
Oh man.
Bro, this can't be real, bro. This can't be his real. Bro, he can't be, dog. Bro, this been talking about he's my sister's age, dog. Stop it.
Bro, can he just, wear a little t-shirt? Little t-shirt, we get him a fitted.
Vitalik's 27, bro.
Yeah, I know Vitalik is around our age. Actually, around our age.
Yeah. Vitalik younger than me.
Yeah, younger than me too.
Yeah, what's good, y'all? What's good? I know y'all getting in the chat.
But Vitalik don't move strange. Like Vitalik moves strange, but not like an old head. Vitalik, nobody thinks Vitalik's old. You know what I'm saying? Like,
but Charles, bro. Charles 33. Bro, that's I'm telling you, man, that man looks sickly, dog.
Bro, there was no way in my head that Charles was younger than Brad Garlinghouse, bro. Like, there was no way. Like,
I thought they were the same age, but hey, that goes to show you.
I thought they were the same.
That goes to show you, bro. Like, just because we're here in our 30s, bro, we're the ones about to make this bread off of this. Easy facts. But we got a couple more minutes. We're probably gonna end this in we've been on for an hour and 23 minutes right now. So
I'm ready to end it.
I'll give it like 5. Oh, okay. I was gonna give them like 5 more minutes. Let them chill, whatever we get a couple more coins in.
Yeah, I don't have much more other projects that I'm looking at.
Yeah, like I said, I'm being real conservative. Just because the fees are making me real conservative and not moving too much.
Yeah, which is a good thing. Just hodl some of the blue chips and not move around too crazy. But yeah, I think Ethereum's really gonna get bullish with the upgrade on the way, and when that really pulls through, a lot of these competitors, if they don't have their smart contracts live, like they getting left in the dust, bro. If Cardano don't have their smart contracts live by then, and Ethereum does this upgrade, it's over. I mean, it's already over.
I want to see what the upgrade really does. But someone in the chat asked, can we show the chart that we haven't topped out yet? This is like another rainbow chart which goes off of logarithmic curves and whatnot. And it's pretty good at calling tops and whatnot. And right now, you guys can see we're still in the what is it? We're in the light orange phase. So since is this a bubble? We're essentially in the is this a bubble phase, and then it goes to FOMO intensifies, and then it goes to seriously sell, and then it goes to maximum bubble territory. So right now we're not in the maximum bubble territory for now, compared to 2017.
Yeah, I think we still got a long way to go. We got more airdrops supposed to be coming. We got V3s coming out for like Uniswap. We got, man, there's plenty of stuff that still gotta happen, man. Like this year is really gonna be a year to remember, man. I really think so. And I think that the more this year develops, hey, look, when Square, back to what we talked about in the beginning, when Square invested into Bitcoin, they put that 50 mil in around 10,000. You seen what happened after that. You seen what happened after that. Whole industry followed. Market went crazy. Bitcoin just been on a tear ever since. And who knows what's about to happen? Your man he just dropped the NFT or whatever. Who knows what might happen? We might start getting some real institutional love in the public for Ethereum as well. So
yeah, I'm ready for that. Yeah, they don't really seem like they want to shill coins. So I guess one person asks, what are my thoughts on Monero? I think Monero is the privacy standard in cryptocurrency. That's for a fact. So if you know how to get Monero without giving up your identity, good job. You're using crypto like you're supposed to be using crypto. People shilling the Telcoin. I know people are on their Telcoin.
I don't even know what the point of Altcoin is.
Price go up. That's all that matters. What are you talking about?
That's a fact. But it's been going crazy though.
I ain't gonna lie, that thing is just sitting now. It did its pop
Look
off
at that.
and it's just hovering like.
You hit a year on that? You hit the year?
I saw the year, bro. I saw
That's
the
looking
year.
stupid. Yo, Telcoin went crazy.
Went crazy USD. But when I be looking at these charts, I really do be having like the USD, the Bitcoin, and the I don't usually do the ETH one, but I do the Bitcoin one for sure. And just it's when they say things priced in Bitcoin, they just be going to zero. They really do. They don't be lying, bro. Things priced in Bitcoin, they be going to zero, bro. But yeah, right now it looks like accumulation for sure.
Yeah.
It looks like accumulation. It's been doing accumulation since what, February?
Hey, Young Black CEO, right? Wasn't that Telcoin?
Really?
Yeah, Young Black dude. He got the Killmonger cut and everything. Young dude from Africa.
You're lying.
You ain't know that?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, he one of them guys, man. See about Telcoin. I don't even know where to find him at, but yeah. Yeah, he was all up on CNBC and all that doing interviews during the last bull run or whatever. And it was like a penny, I think. It was like a whole penny. You know,
well,
so they haven't even hit all-time highs, but there's much more circulating supply, obviously.
Well, I'm seeing this big picture of important people. I don't see no young Black African kid in this picture of important people. But I'm just on their Twitter, so I wouldn't.
Yeah, his name is Claude. Yeah, just Telcoin founder. I just Googled that and that was it.
Oh.
Yeah, he got the crazy Killmonger cut.
Stop, bro.
Yo, if you get the LinkedIn, bro, it's gonna say Claude, some African name, and then
Man, LinkedIn trying to get me to log in. I ain't logged, and now they want to take me back. Oh, I hate when these websites do
Oh,
that
they
stuff.
doing you dirty. They
They're
doing you
doing me dirty
dirty.
right now, man.
Yeah. Let me
But all
see if
right,
I can
guys.
find.
We got about like a minute left. We about to end the stream real quick. Any final words? Low key. Any final words, bro? He not the CEO
Nah,
no
man.
more. Like, that's what I'm about to say. There's like, it doesn't seem like he the CEO no more.
Oh, it's over then. We not buying no Telcoin. Everybody sell coin. No, I'm playing.
You stupid. But
Damn, he got Killmonger for real, bro.
stop.
Wow.
Stop.
They did him dirty, bro.
Yo,
They did him dirty, bro.
Hey, where can everybody find you, Lo?
Hey, just come to the Low Key Money YouTube. That's LOKEY Money on YouTube. We do the shill stream, which is very similar to this, and just a couple standalone videos, high quality standalone videos, I must say. But yeah, I've been slacking a little bit for the past month, not going too crazy, but I'm glad I did the stream today because it kind of got me over that. All right, finally gonna do it again, and you should expect some content pretty soon. So come check your boy out.
All right, bet.
And for anybody that don't know, join the Shill Squad Telegram group. Link is in the description.
But yeah, guys, y'all already know. Thank you guys for coming through the chat. Thank you guys for all the tips. You know what I'm saying? Somebody said stay broke, then more tell from me. Hey, bro, these boys are savages. But yeah, appreciate everybody coming through. You know, it's always a place for you guys to come, talk, show your coins, ask questions, peace, love, all that. Other than that, check me out next time. Take it easy. Peace. Yeah.
Peace.